Are you traveling with others, or do you bring a lot of things that need to be plugged in and charged up nightly? Well, I'm going to show you something that you need to travel with. Whether you're traveling alone or with other people, there are never enough outlets in where you're staying. Because of our world now, everything needs to be charged. Your phone, your camera, your power banks, your computer if you're bringing one, your iPad, all of these things. I'm probably forgetting a whole bunch, but they all need to be charged. And usually there's two different outlets that have two outlets on it itself. If you're traveling with others, that is definitely not enough. And if you are traveling on your own, that may be enough, but it may not be. So one of the things that I highly recommend that you bring with you is a multi-plug outlet. So there's these two, both. They're both good, but they have differences. I'll show you what the differences are. The thing that these ones do is it gives you so many more outlets so that everyone can plug in and charge up for the night. Also, if you are bringing, say, like a computer that requires a 3-prong plug, not all places have a 3-prong outlet. So you're basically up a creek and won't be able to charge your computer. Now there are two that I'm going to show you today. The first one, I really did like this Birkin one, but there was a couple problems. I like that it had 3 outlets, and then on the top here it had it has 2 USB outlets. Now the thing on the back, 3 prongs. Now it didn't always fit to the outlets that I had, so it was useful and not useful. This one also has the ability to turn, so if you needed it here, it could turn in the way, but it's super hard to turn. It's useful but not useful. Next, I purchased this one here. So this one majority just has the USB, which is what we really need more than often than not. So it has a 4 USB and then 1 3-prong outlet. Now the cord is great because it's just a 2-prong cord, but it unravels so that if an outlet is like really in the far corner and you want to charge and your cord is not very long and you want to kind of be on your device while it's charging, you're just stuck in the corner over there. So this is great because you can plug in and then you can have your charging port near you where you want to sit. So I do highly recommend that you bring these. If it's a group of you, maybe 2 of you might want to bring them, and then you can all charge at the same time. These are also great for the airport. So if you want to charge at the airport and all the plugs are used, you can basically unplug and plug this in and then plug theirs back into your thing. So before you do that, ask the person because people get very possessive. So purchasing one of these and bringing it on your trip will save you a ton of time figuring out how you're going to charge everything for the next day. If you have any questions, please pop them down below and I will answer them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am going to be posting a video about travel tips or product reviews or just entertaining stories that I think are entertaining, and hopefully you do too. And until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye!